Hello my dear students, today's topic is grammar part of prepositions. Students, prepositions is a word which shows that relations between a noun and a pronoun or some other word. This is called prepositions. For example, in, the toys are in the basket, the pens are in the stand, the colors are in the box. The cat is in the box, the bat is in the cat, the toys are in the baskets. In is prepositions. Okay? And next examples is on. For example, the cat is on the table, rat is on the chair, the pen is on the floor. The remote is on the cabinet. The fruits are on the table. So these are all examples of the prepositions on. Under or beneath. The cat is under the table. The rat is beneath the chair. The book is beneath the bed. The dustbin is under the desk. The lion is sitting under a tree. So these are all examples. Over. This naughty cat jumped over the table. The monkey jumped over the pond. The bird flew over the river. The aeroplane is flying over the building. The aeroplane is flying over the building. So these are all examples of the over. And another example, the clouds are fluttering over the horse jumped over the fence. So these are all examples of the prepositions of over. Next prepositions is between. The cat is sitting between two boys. The boy is sleeping between two trees. The horse is standing between two zebras. So these are all examples of prepositions between. Students, have you understood? Yes, next prepositions is among. For example, the cat is sitting among many caterpillars. The cat is sitting among 4 caterpillars. The cat is sitting between 2 caterpillars. Here, prepositions of between and the among. The yellow ball is lying among many blue balls. The girl is standing among many flowers and butterflies. So, among is a prepositions. Next example is the lion is sitting among the yellow balls is among many blue balls. Among is a prepositions. Here, the cat is sitting between 2 boys. Between is a preposition word. Next prepositions is beside. For example, the cat is sitting beside the chair. The rat is beside the cheese. The lion is beside the river. The boy is sleeping beside his mother. Beside. The girl is sitting beside her mother. Next prepositions is into. For example, the cat jumped into the box. The frog jumped into the pond. They dropped the toy into the bucket. The boy jumped into the pool. So these are all examples of the into. Next prepositions is near. The cat is sitting near the table. The pen is lying near the fruit basket. The lamp is lying near the bed. The teacher is standing near the pole. The bench is lying near the river. So these are all examples of the near. Next prepositions is above. The lamp is hanging above the table. The chandelier is hanging above the dining table. The grapes are hanging above the ground. So these are all examples of the prepositions: among, over, beside, into, near, in. Next prepositions is around. The car is moving around the fountain. The earth revolves around the sun. Everybody is sitting around the bonfire. Next prepositions is inside. The cat is inside its house. I am going to inside the mall. I am going inside the car. He is going inside the school. So these are all examples of the inside. Outside. The cat is outside its house. I am waiting outside the school. The rat is coming outside its burrow. So these are all examples of the prepositions of outside. So next prepositions is in front of. The cat is standing in front of the mirror. She is standing in front of the mirror. He is standing in front of the curtain. They are standing in front of the picture. He is standing in front of the clock. So these are all examples of the in front. Next preposition is towards. The cat is going towards the rat. I am going towards the school. He is going towards the train. He is coming towards me. So these are all examples of the towards. Through. For example, this cat cannot pass through this small hole. He cannot pass through this obstacle. Students, prepositions showing time or agent, that is in, with, from, of, for, since. For example, Rani lives in Vijayawada. So here is a showing time or agent. Okay dear. Rani lives in Vijayawada. Roshan cut the cake with a knife. So here with is a time or agent. Roshan cut the cake. Another example, Raju fell from a tree. So next example is, I am afraid of darkness. Okay, I am afraid of darkness. So next example is, Praveen has been waiting for his friend since morning. Students, have you understood today's grammar part? Yes, what we have discussed in today's class, dear? Yes, prepositions. Students, what is prepositions? Yes, a prepositions is a word which shows the relation between a noun and a pronoun or some other word. This is called prepositions. Already we learned, right? And also we learned examples of the prepositions: at, along, over, under, around, through, between, behind, in front of, up, into, across, near, to, and on. And also we have learned prepositions showing time or agent. For example, in, with, from, of, for, since. Right? So students, have you understood today's class? Yes. I hope students you are all understood today's class. Thank you.